to cross the bridge. The train went through the tunnel. The signal light was red. The train could not stop. The train whizzed past the houses. The train whizzed past the river. The train whizzed past the playground. The train whizzed past the plantation. The signal light was green. The train slowed down. The train chugged past the town. The train chugged under the bridge. The train chugged into the station, out of steam at last. The train stopped just in time. Time for another journey. Do you want to ride on the runaway train?